People, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are having a cook with me video and I'll be making melon soup, egusi soup. This happens to be one of my favorite soup. I'll be cooking today with vegetable. I'm not using bitter leaf today. So here are the basic ingredients I'll be cooking with. Here we have egusi, melon, we have meat, we have red oil, we have onions, seasoning cube, pepper, crayfish, salt, stockfish, dry fish, and vegetable. So people, let's the cooking begin. So I'll start by pouring water into the pot because I'm going to be cooking the meat. Next, I'll be adding the meat. Dry fish, stockfish, and I'll just cover the pot to cook. And I'll cover the pot to cook. Adding pepper, next I'll be adding the crayfish, salt, onions, and cover one more time to keep cooking. And of course, add more water if necessary. Ta-da! So people, you can see our meat is very soft. So the meat is as good as done. At this point in time, it is time to add red oil. So I'll be adding 1 spoon of red oil. Next, I'll be adding the melon itself. Wow, look at this, everybody. At this point in time, the aroma have taken over my kitchen. This is our melon soup, egusi soup. You can choose to leave it this way if you don't want to add vegetable to it. You can leave it as plain as this. It's okay, your soup is ready. But then I'll be adding vegetable to it. But before then, I'll be adding the seasoning cube. So here I have seasoning cube, and then I'm going to stir it together. I'm going to mix everything together. The aroma of this soup have taken over this kitchen already. I mean, everywhere is just smelling stockfish. Now I'll be adding the vegetable. At this point in time, our soup is as good as ready. I like to add the vegetable last because I don't want it to be overcooked. Melon soup, Nigerian melon soup. I love this soup so much. This is one of my favorites. Melon soup. I love this soup so much. This happens to be one of my favorite soup. Thank you so much, friends. So at this point in time, our food is as good as ready. So people, our soup is ready. This is our yummy looking melon soup, egusi soup. Oh my goodness, this happens to be one of my favorite soup and the kids loves it so much. Thank you so much, friends, for watching this cook with me video. So people, I hope you really enjoyed this basic recipe, egusi soup. I'll see you all in the comment section, as well as see you all in my next video. Bye, friends. Mm.